Let's get one thing straight before we begin. This is not real survival advice. This is a fictional, comedic walkthrough for entertainment purposes only. If you ever find yourself facing an apex predator in the wild, the correct move is to not be there in the first place. But since you're clearly the type of person who read the title and said yes, please, buckle up. You're about to learn how to hypothetically, theoretically, and probably not legally defeat every apex predator on Earth. The reticulated python. Our adventure begins with the heavyweight noodle of the reptile kingdom, the reticulated python. A creature capable of reaching 23 feet in length and weighing more than 370 pounds, essentially a living anaconda-sized scarf that squeezes for fun. Now, you may be tempted to walk away from this fight. This is a rare matchup where nature gives you a choice. But maybe your ego is loud, maybe your friends are watching, or maybe you simply refuse to be outdone by a snake that spends 98% of its life laying around like a meat hose. So you take the fight. The moment the snake locks onto you, the objective is simple: keep the fight standing. When a python gets you on the ground, the only thing you're defeating is your high score on seconds, until unconscious. Standing tall means it can't use its full leverage. Eventually the python will strike, latching onto you with jaws built for clamping down harder than unpaid student loans. This is where the fun begins. One hand goes to the head to prevent further coiling, and the other finds the tail. You start unwrapping the snake like you're opening the world's worst Christmas present. Yes, it will cover you in snake pee, that's its primary form of trash talk. But once you peel that beast off and toss it aside, congratulations, the snake either retreats, or you repeat round 2. Either way, the win is yours. Da Contine. Giant otter. It's basically the river's mafia. These things are 6 feet long, work in squads, and scream like Furbies possessed by demons. But lucky for you, today you're in a 1v1 and otters are surprisingly throwable. The strategy? Pick it up. Body slam it. Done. 13. Hyena. Hyenas do not fight fair. They don't fight calm, they don't fight quietly. In Africa, hyenas have been known to attack sleeping humans, which is downright disrespectful. But don't worry, your midnight 1v1 is winnable. You awaken to a crunch. That crunch was your leg. The hyena is already giggling, but now you're in a street fight, and dignity is optional. Step 1. Don't run, don't turn your back, and don't look tasty. Stand your ground and mirror its movements like you're doing aggressively hostile yoga. If it steps forward, you step forward. If it cackles, you cackle. If you do this correctly, the hyena will eventually realize you're either a predator or a psychopath, and leave. If it brought its entire clan, well, this guide only covers 1v1s. Good luck. Orca. The killer whale is 6,000 pounds of black and white aquatic homicide. But believe it or not, orcas are easy to defeat. Not because you're stronger, but because you panic harder. Orcas breach around you, the ocean churns, and your life flashes before your eyes. The orca sees this and thinks, oh, this meal is expired. It loses interest. You win through pure panic energy. However, if you end up in a SeaWorld tank, that's no longer a street fight. That's a sanctioned cage match. And gravity, your greatest ally, has abandoned you. Good luck. 11. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons have venom, terrible stamina, and a bite force capable of ruining both your day and your medical insurance premiums. If you're not in the mood to fight, you can simply outrun it. Komodos top out at 13 mounts power, while the average human can sprint. That's right, humans canonically win this matchup by 1 mile per hour. Easy. But if you want the fight, lure the dragon into charging. Dodge in zigzags like you're avoiding taxation. Komodos gas out faster than someone running a treadmill for the first time in 5 years. Once it quits, you may celebrate with creative combos, as the dragon lies on the ground rethinking all its life choices. 10. King cobra. The king cobra kills about 5 people a year, which is surprisingly low considering it walks around with a built-in one-shot attack. If you corner a cobra, stay still, remain calm, and slowly back away, unless you enjoy becoming an extra in an Animal Planet tragedy. If you're Indian, congratulations, cultural tradition apparently gives you bonus handling proficiency. Otherwise, once you're in an open area, the cobra will choose the nope option and slither off in search of less annoying prey. 9. Jaguar. This section divides into 2 groups of readers. People who want to avoid fighting a jaguar, people who do not value their limb. For Group 1, avoid eye contact, back away slowly, and never run. For Group 2, welcome to the Thunderdome. You must intimidate the jaguar through pure psychological warfare. Raise your arms, shout, and make yourself appear large. If the cat attacks and its initial bite fails, many jaguars retreat instantly out of embarrassment. If it latches on, target its eyes and snout until it decides you're too spicy. Afterwards, you stand victorious, covered in cat blood demanding seconds. Congratulations, you're insane. Mountain lion. Mountain lions are like jaguars who skipped leg day. Strong ambush predators, yes, but head-on fighters, questionable. Rule 1, never break eye contact. Rule 2, never run, crouch or turn away. Rule 3, initiate mental warfare by yelling, swinging your arms, and showcasing your insane human energy. Most mountain lions will leave as soon as they realize you are unpredictable and possibly unwell. If not, throw a rock. There is one video online of this working, which means it has a 100% success rate. 7. Alligator. Alligators attack humans about a dozen times a year, usually in Florida. Rule number 1, do not go in the water in Florida, ever. For any reason, no exception. But if an alligator engages you on land, easy matchup, bait its charge, sprint away in a straight line, and enjoy its terrible stamina and even worse turning radius. Run circles around it like you're lag switching in real life. Eventually, the gator gives up and regrets challenging you, the superior land-dwelling organism. 6. Bears. Grizzly polar. Grizzlies, built like walking refrigerators, stuffed with rage. Polar bears, built like bigger refrigerators, stuffed with even more rage. Grizzly strategy. Curl into fetal position, play dead, and hope the bear believes you're not worth the caloric expenditure. With enough dedication, the bear wanders off, convinced you're also a tank build. Polar bear strategy. Do not play dead. Your corpse is an appetizer. Make yourself big, yell, and fight back, targeting eyes and nose. Physical attacks do matter. After all, there's a famous rhyme: if it's black, fight back. If it's brown, lay down. If it's white, good night. Inspirational. Wolves. Wolves attack rarely, but when they do, they go for the arm like it's a chew toy. Stand your ground. Make yourself large. Prepare for it to latch onto your forearm, which is exactly where you want it, because now you can rain elbows on its snout like you're trying to tune an old TV. If that doesn't work, gouge its eyes. If that still doesn't work, resort to dishonorable tactics. Blow in its face. Wolves hate that. 4. Sharks. Tiger, bull, great white. You're snorkeling. A shark locks onto you. The correct response: maintain eye contact like you're confronting someone who stole your parking spot. Sharks love surprise attacks. Awkward eye contact ruins the whole vibe. If it comes too close, gently redirect its snout like you're politely refusing a dance. If it attacks, strike the eyes, gills and snout. If possible, flip it upside down to induce tonic immobility. The aquatic equivalent of pressing a sleep button. But if it's a giant great white shark, well, that fight ends with the shark tasting your processed food-filled body and leaving out of sheer disappointment. Tiger. A tiger is the most fair matchup on this list, only because it gives you a 2-second window to prepare for doom. Avoid running, crouching, or lying down. All of that is basically tiger speak for free meal. If it attacks, offer your non-dominant arm and strike the eyes and nose with everything you've got. If the tiger keeps dragging you, shove your free arm down its throat to trigger a gag reflex. Yes, it's absurd, but someone once did it, therefore it is canon. If all else fails, climb a tree. Tigers are terrible climbers and even worse at admitting defeat. 2. Lion. Lions attack hundreds of people yearly, and unlike tigers, they do not hesitate. If you face one, do not run, crouch or lie down. You're not in a nature documentary, you're in a street fight. The lion will perform a test charge, stopping just short to see if you flinch. Show no fear. If it commits to an attack, protect your neck and prepare to trade blows. If it latches on, strike its eyes and muzzle. Humans have scared off lions with rocks. You have rocks, plus heart, and according to motivational posters, heart is stronger. 1. Crocodiles. Saltwater, crocodile. These are the final bosses of the animal kingdom. Amphibious tanks, with bite forces, strong enough to erase your existence. Rule number 1, never go near crocodile-infested waters. Rule number 2, seriously, see rule number 1, but if a saltwater or Nile croc commits to a fight on land, you have options. Crocs sprint in straight, predictable lines for 20-30 meters before gassing out like they skipped every cardio day ever. Sprint away, toss your shirt over its eyes, to put it into a trance, circle behind, and perform ceremonial body shots. Not for damage, but for meat tenderizing optional. Eventually, the croc stops moving, either from exhaustion or from giving up on life entirely, which crocs are known to do, and with that you've officially defeated nature's oldest camper. You are now hypothetically undefeated against every apex predator on Earth. In reality, please avoid them, all of them, forever.